just a regular bloke with a regular bike. I'm your average dad who enjoys a nice ride. I wear lycra and fluoro when I'm riding at night. I piss everybody off and ignore the red lights. My life, my rights, don't you know who we are? Cable ties on my helmet and I pretend I'm a car.
What the fuck are you doing? Where are you going? You're on the fucking wrong way, you silly fuck. Fucking hell, they're all out today.
Fucking Jesus.
Nah, that was fucking pretty.
Have said the board could be seen as a threat to the United Nations that Donald Trump has
What are you doing, mate?
Ambassadors to the EU have held an urgent meeting. Donald Trump threatened to impose tariffs on opponents to his proposed Greenland takeover. Here's Europe correspondent Elias Cooler. Ambassadors from the
In 200 metres, turn left onto Healesville.
The name of this road?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here, I'm on the phone.
Was a red light. Red light. Good job.
Turn left onto Queens Road, Slip Road, then use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto National Route Alternate 1.
Oh my god. Two idiots.
And they're trying to say, oh, she can't have cheese, she's got to go whole low fat diet, and I'm going, since when?
She can't have
Cheese.
cheese.
And she loves cheese. And I says, nah, that's not. She might when she first gets. You've got a trailer on.
What the fuck was that?
Fuck you, asshole. 2DW.
fucking dickhead!
Look around, round, look around, round, look around, look around, round, look around, round, look around, round, look around, round, look around, look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one fad away from being retro.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one drug away from liking techno.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one glasses apart from dyslexia.
Look around, round, look around, round, look.
You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia.
You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck
mob.
You're only one acting role from a real job.
You're only one strip of flesh from your bones.
You're only one species away from Alan Jones.
You're only one small speck in space.
You're only one life soon erased.
Be there none left on earth but you.
One thing will still remain.
Holy fuck!
Holy dog shit!
He's going beside you, so there we go. Hang on. How are we going? You. Beep.
Oh, I knew it.
Asshole.
How? Shit. Mick.
Ah, Mick, you frightened shit out of me.
BYD driver.
Turn left onto City Road, Yarrabank Highway.
Yep, goes to the red light. You're a fucking tool.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
boat and everything on this.